visionaries, trailblazers, and you are all champions of Mr. International Philippines. What does it mean to the place that you are representing?
Well, I guess being in the national competition is really an honor for me. Most especially, I am representing Cagayan de Oro City, my beloved hometown. And one thing that makes Cagayan de Oro is special is that we are molded by our qualities when it comes to in the national competition. So, I am a reigning Mr. Cagayan de Oro. So, as a Mr. Cagayan de Oro, I embody that spirit of having that care for other people, having that tenacity to really be a good example. And I think that is something that sets me apart to the other candidates.
Actually, I just won Mr. Bohol last year, 2024, 2023 rather, and I got the merit to represent Mr. International Philippines Bohol. And it is a great platform to somehow voice out our whatever we believed in. I'm advocating on sustainable opportunity through partnership with private and government sector to provide sustainable opportunity, whether it's the mothers, single fathers, and also the students that are left in the school. So with that, I hope that this amazing platform would echo my voice and would hear those people that could help to those who need.
I think I become an inspiration and an instrument to other people as well, and also to my community. Thank you.
For me, na-appoint lang po talaga ako to represent my Parañaque City. But right now, I'm very proud naman po na ako po yung napili, especially ni Mr. Mel Alipoon, na mag-represent po dito sa Mr. International Philippines.
Province, this is just the start of the new beginning. This is just the journey is just starting para sa coronation night, isn't it? But aside from that, it's not only a battle of good-looking people, but these are also a battle of pageant fans. How do you handle toxic fans out there? Siyempre, may mga taong hindi ka gusto. So how will you be able to handle it?
I feel like the most important thing is to have self-worth and positive self-image. And to me, if that may involve blocking people come at me on social media for the sake of your mental health, then so be it. Because at the end of the day, the only opinion that should matter is yourself.
Actually, kanina nagbabasa ako ng mga inbox spam. Marami talaga ako nababasa na iba't ibang mga comments. Hindi natin talaga may iwasan yung mga taong toxic, yung mga taong ida-down ka talaga. Pero ano ba talaga yung essence na nagkakaroon tayo ng toxic na fans? Yun yung kasi yung magiging way or yun yung magiging sandata natin para mas maging matibay tayo and also para mas maging matatag tayo sa hinaharap. And magagamit natin ito sa future natin, sa magiging successful tayo.
Still thankful kasi good or bad, they will still give me the strength. So for me, wala namang problema sa akin kung may mga toxic fans as long as they will acknowledge me if I won. And para sa akin, they have their own beliefs. So it's up to them. Yun lang po.
Sa ngayon po, wala pa po akong mga fans na nagbaba sa akin. Pero sa tingin ko po, if ever po, I will turn them to my strength po.
What do you think will be your secret ingredient para makuha mo ang coveted Mr. International Philippines crown?
I will show to Mr. International what I am, and then I will show my confidence to Mr. International. Thank you so much.
Yung secret ko is hard work. Yun lang po. Actually, you need to do your best. Lalo na po, lahat po tayo lalaban. Yun lang po.
If I ever, ako po ay naging advocate. So, matutulungan po kayo regarding doon. And also, I have a passion to help people.
Ayun naman sa akin, ang mental health and physical fit, kahit na anong mangyari, gagawin natin ang lahat para may chance tayong manalo sa pageant na ito.
So to be in your authentic self, you need to understand your core and what you believed in. And then that is the exact ingredients of winning the crown.
Authenticity. Because, you know, we are in the national competition and I can say we are the best in our hometown. So I think it would be much more of who do it more, who prepares more. Because, you know, if the stars align in you, then it would definitely be. So I think we all deserve to be the crown.